Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm headed into Walmart and I thought I would invite you to come with me. Let's go shopping. So my Walmart is putting out a lot of things for Mother's Day. I thought I would share them all with you guys in case you are in the market to pick something up for a mother in your life. We'll start right here with this little musical cactus.
I can really give good hugs. When you hug, when you hug, I'm in love. Please hug.
There are a lot of fun stuffed animals, from this sloth to a few other large teddy bears. They have this one with the gold heart in sequence and a unicorn. This one is super cute. Now, they also have a ton of decor that we're going to be looking at in just a second. Actually, things you could use for your home as home decor. A few more of their pillows. These up here, I believe, are musical. And a few stuffed animals with boxed gift sets down below. And who doesn't need an oversized princess flamingo for Mother's Day? And lastly, our last stuffed animals on the list, these for just under $15 in the unicorn, llama, and flamingo. Now onto all of this home decor. This is a little grateful everyday box. It is a square, lots of purple with those succulents for $14.98. For the same price, right next to that, a little bit more modern take on the succulents. And this decorative hanging box full of succulents, sort of like a shadow box in gray and white. I think these are so pretty. Now, I don't believe they're $17.98. I believe they're closer to the $12 mark. But they had just put all these items out, so some of the stickers were in wrong places. For just under $15, they did this little floral box, and they have a ton of them. Lots of pink in that one. For $9.98, they have this miniature whitewash crate full of roses with a little heart tag in it. A few more floral arrangements, this one in the lavender, and right next to that in the succulents. Another crate style succulent arrangement, this one more of a rectangle with Make Today Amazing, and a lot of little tabletop decor signs, those for just under $3 and this photo holder for just under $5. We've got lots more signs to look at. This one comes in 3 different versions for $2.98. Right next to that, they've got this version that is just under $4 in Love Lives Here with pink trim and Nana's Hugs Are Best in teal. Now for some very glittery signs, they have this one in Blessed Family, Love Lives Here, and Family Lives Here, all of them for $3.98. Right next to that, they do have a few trinket trays. I don't believe these are actually $7.98. There is no tag on the back of them, but they do come in 3 versions, in silver, the rose gold, and gold. Now onto a few water bottles, cups, and mugs for moms. Then we'll get back into the decor. These are $3.98 and come in quite a few different versions with the little lids and straws. This one in gold, Best Mom Ever. Also this one in Fabulous. And these are ceramic hot drink mugs with little silicone toppers. Also quite a few travel mugs for just under $5 for the mom who drinks hot tea or coffee. They also did these mugs in 4 versions for just under $5. Dog Mom, Best Mom Ever, I Run on Caffeine and Kisses, and in Nana, Live, Love, and Spoil. For just under $5, they have some nameplates, but Coffee First, Mom Boss, Dog Mom, and Number 1 Mom. And now back into some decorative items. They have some acrylic window style signs, one for Grandma, this one in Love, Faith, and Family, and in one more version, Bless This Home. Now, if the kids are doing the shopping, they might be interested in these little solars. They do come in a llama and a unicorn. Something a little more practical are these little notepad and pen sets for just under $3. They come in 3 different versions, perfect for the mom who likes to take notes. And right next to those, they also have some keychains. This one in silver for Nana and in pink and gold for mom. Lots more signs to choose from. These are actually $8. They're very heavy glass. And for $4, they have these little tabletop easel style hearts in 3 different prints. They also have a few different trinket trays or trinket dishes for just under $4 in the cactus, the pineapple, and the little dog for the dog mom in your life. And for $9.98, they have a few really heavy glass frames for mom, 2 of them in pink and this one in red. They also have these heavy glass tabletop pieces of decor for just under $5 in 4 versions for mom, including this really funny beauty pageant kitty. Also for $5, some tabletop text signs in the frosted glass, Love, Mom, and Nana, and some more shadow box style signs. These are probably about a 4-inch square for just under $3. This one with a little bit of wood and galvanized look. They also have these little organizers in 2 versions that you can slip a picture right into. This one in white with mom on it, and this one in Nana with some floral detail. If you're looking for a picture frame, they have a lot to choose from. This one's really nice in the wood and galvanized metal, Best Mom. These are just under $5. They have this one in 2 versions, this one in Grateful Every Day and this one in Family. For $7.98, they have this frame in Great Moms Get Promoted to Grandmas. Next to that, some really pretty floral frames. This one with a little burlap bow for just under $5. And right next to that, this one a little bit larger for just under $7. They also have a few canvas prints for mom. These are all $4.98 and come in 2 prints. Right next to that, they have this photo holder in a different version, white with the gold trim. And right next to that, for $4, these little glass and mirror combos, Love You Nana, and one for mom. Down along the bottom shelf, they had some really great buys. Little cork holders for just under $10, and this adorable sign for mom, as well as these jewelry holders. These are $9.98 and come in 2 versions, the gray and Hello Gorgeous in gold. They also have a letter board for $15 and a few decorative crosses for $5.98. They also have a few different angel print cutouts for just under $3. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to take a look at all of these items for Mother's Day at Walmart. Let me know down below in the comments if something caught your eye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.